Boom, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to a quick video. Let's talk real quick. Hey, credit repair business owners. Which of these agency or business bottlenecks is your biggest challenge right now? Is it getting leads, meaning eyeballs, people who give you their information so that you can follow up and, potentially close them? Or are you struggling with finding the right network? Whether you want some help with with real estate agents, with car dealerships, or finance, other financial institutions, or tax repairs and all that good stuff. Is it that one, or are you struggling with closing more deals once you have people on the phone or on Zoom calls, whatever that is? Just answer that below. I'm curious to find out how we can help you, and then see if we can, answer more questions about it. If it's getting leads, what are you doing with the leads? How are you following up? How are you making sure that they jump on a phone call with you and qualify them before, like you spend any second with them, right? Are you, talking to the right people in the network? Like, what are you doing in real, like in person, to connect with high net worth and high profile individuals who can drive more traffic to your business? Or what are you saying in those sales calls to try to close people? What are you mentioning? What are you bringing up? What is your selling point and all that good stuff? Let's find out. Let's help you out. If you have any questions in the meantime, just drop them down below. And yeah, just book a call with me and my team. Will help. We're more than excited to help you out, achieve your goal, take you from point A to point B. With that being said, guys, I'll see you later. Take care. Just answer very quickly. I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.